Now let's see how to capture diagnosis. You start by clicking Add/Modify. Let's say you want to enter malaria. Type malaria in the search box and press Enter. You would see multiple malaria diagnosis variants below. This list is borrowed from MyOPD. Select the matching diagnosis and click on Add. Now suppose the diagnosis you make is not available in MyOPD. No problem. If you don't find a matching diagnosis, click on Add Custom. This allows you to save your own diagnosis in the software. They will show up in the search results on the next patient. Once you're done, click OK now. If you want this diagnosis to be marked as critical diagnosis, which should show up in critical illness history of this patient at the top of the form, click the Add to Illness checkbox. After saving this visit, the diagnosis having this checkbox checked will be added to the illness history. If you are not sure about the diagnosis and would like to mark this diagnosis as provisional, you can click the Is Provisional checkbox. As you enter data for more patients, you can make use of the Quick Add feature for diagnosis. This allows you to quickly enter a diagnosis by selecting the past diagnosis of this patient, or a recently used diagnosis in a clinic, or a list of your custom diagnosis. You also get to view an entire history of diagnosis done for this patient.